Okay, I am back with another hair tutorial. I am going to be installing this bob wig. It is the name Paris in the color 2. It was 27.99, which is super cheap, but this wig, oh my God, it was so nice. I have never really worn a bob wig before, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go. It was for my graduation, so I just kind of wanted to look really like smart. So that was the vibe I was going for, and I thought, let me lay the wig properly. As you can see, I'm actually going through the proper steps of, laying down the wig cap and making sure it's glued and everything. Because if you've watched my previous wig tutorial, you'll know that I'm really lazy when it comes to laying wigs properly. So I really put the effort in, guys. Okay, I really put in some effort. I even brought out like the little razor. Come on now. I used this wig spray from ORS and it was actually really good. It said that it was a super hold hairspray, and I thought, we'll see about that. But it really was like super hold. And then I went in with the foaming mousse and my absolute favorite hair wax from the red one. And I mean, the wig was laid. Like, it was laid. For my first proper attempt, I love it.